What's up, traders? Welcome back to Forex Life. It's been a while. I was sick, so I couldn't be making these videos for you guys, but I'm glad that I'm back. And today's video is a very powerful strategy that I would like to share with you guys. If this is your first time on the channel, please go ahead, like, subscribe, and smash that notification icon so that you can be notified when I do post a new video. If it is your first time in trading, the broker that I'm using is Derived. The link will be in the description below, where you can go ahead and open up your account. Okay, I don't want to make this video too long for you guys, so I'm going to jump straight into the video. With this strategy, you guys will be able to buy and sell. So you can buy on Crash 1000 and you can sell on Crash 1000. This is a strategy that does not lag. So that's pretty good. Remember, with all strategies, you always check the trend on higher time frames. But I want you guys to understand that if you put your mind to it and you practice and you stay consistent, you will definitely become profitable. Always just follow the rules and apply proper risk management. But let's get straight into the video. You can use the zoom level. Let's start with the zoom level. You can use it on any zoom level. However, I do prefer the second one. So this is the lowest. So I'll go 1, 2. Okay, I'll do that again. So that's the lowest zoom level. 1, 2. That is the zoom level that I prefer for the strategy, that I find works best for me. I have been testing this strategy out for about a month or more. So you guys can test it on your demo account first, play around with it, and once you feel comfortable, move over to your live account. Okay, so the strategy we're going to be using, let's see, 2 indicators. Okay, so the first indicator that you're going to add onto your main chart will be a moving average. So you click on moving average, and these are the parameters of the moving average. So it will be period 40, shift 0, method simple, apply to close, and then by styles 4 pixel, and you make it any color of your choice. Mine is white because my background is black. So if your background is white, you can make it black or any color of your choice. It really doesn't matter. Once you have entered all of these parameters, you just go ahead and click on done, and it will be this little indicator over here on your chart. This white line, that will be the moving average that you've just added to your chart. Okay, then the next indicator, so we're going to tap on the screen, we're going to click on the F icon over here, this F icon over here, to take us to our indicators, and we're going to click on indicator window 1. So we're going to click on the F plus icon over here so we can add another indicator. We're then going to click on MACD. Okay, that's the indicator we're going to add, and these are the parameters. So your fast EMA will be 12, slow EMA 26, MACD SMA will be 9, and apply to close. The styles, the main will be 1 pixel in color blue, and the signal will be 1 pixel color red. Once you're done, you just click on done at the top, and then it will be added to your chart. Okay, and this is the MACD. This is the MACD indicator over here that we will be watching. So to take this trade, there is just 3 confirmations, basically 2 confirmations that you need to look out for. Okay, so first things first, at the moment when we're looking at the chart, we will always be using the 15-minute time frame for this strategy. 15-minute time frame. Okay, now in order to take any trade, whether it's a buy or a sell, we need to be looking at our indicator window 1 over here. We need to be watching this MACD. Okay, at all times you need to be watching this MACD. So in order to take a buy opportunity, our MACD over here needs to be above the level 0. Okay, so this is our level 0. It needs to be above. So the blue lines, this is our MACD that we will be watching. So once our blue line reaches above level 0, what we then wait for is for a candle closure above this moving average. So once our candle closes over here, once our candle closes above the moving average, we then enter a buy and we take the buy opportunity. So most of you will be asking, where do I place my stop loss? That is entirely up to you. I would personally place my stop loss somewhere around about here below the moving average, because this moving average will work as a support and resistance as well. It will always come back to test this moving average. So I will place it just below the moving average. Okay, so once the MACD is above level 0, we have a candle that closes above the moving average. We enter our buy and we just trail our stop loss. We trail our stop loss all the way to the top. With a sell opportunity, your MACD needs to be below the level 0. So once the blue line goes below level 0 and you have a candle that closes below the moving average, you enter your sell. So you can see there was about 15 candles of a drawdown. However, it went all the way into profits. And you just trail your stop loss. You continue to trail your stop loss so that you know you are securing your profits. With any strategy, remember, with any strategy, if you combine price action with it, you will have the best outcome of the strategy. We can mark up your support and resistance areas to know exactly when to close a trade or where you take profit will be as well. But this is the strategy in a nutshell. It works on all pairs. So let me just show you guys. If we go to Boom 1000, so with Boom 1000 over here, remember the conditions to take a trade. Over here, the MACD closed below the 0 point, right? It closed below the 0 point over here. And then what do we wait for? We wait for a candle closure below the moving average. Okay, so over here our candle closed, that red candle over there. Our stop loss would then be somewhere above the moving average. Somewhere above the moving average. We then enter the trade into profits, shot back up. Like I say, it always, most of the time, 90% of the time, it comes back for a retest. Came back for a retest of the moving average and continue down. And remember, this is the 15-minute time frame. So this is a lot of profits that you are making. If you want to scalp, you can scalp one candle at a time or two candles. That's 30 ticks. That's 30 small candles that you will be catching. So that is the sell opportunity that happened there on Boom 1000. Now, if we look for buy opportunities, let me just... For buy opportunity, remember the conditions, what needs to be met. So firstly, we have over here the MACD closing above level 0. Then we have, this is a massive candle that closed above the moving average. You then go ahead and you enter your buy and you take your profits. Okay, remember to always trail your stop loss. Here we have another buy opportunity. So over here, the MACD is above level 0. This candle closed above the moving average. You go ahead, you take the buy, and you trail your stop loss. Okay. Over here, we can see this was a sell opportunity, but because it did not last long, your stop loss would have been hit on this trade. So over here we have the MACD below level 0. We have the candle closure below the moving average. However, the stop loss did get hit on this trade. So there will be losses. No strategy is 100%, but there are more wins than losses with this strategy. And you can continue to see over here the MACD is below level 0. This red candle over here closed below. So I can make it a bit bigger. Closed below. What happened? The market came down, came back for the retest, and continued all the way down. All the way down, and you just keep on trailing your stop loss. It works on Boom 500, the same. So over here you could have caught this nice opportunity. The MACD is above level 0. This candle closed above the moving average, and then you take the buy and you just continue to trail your stop loss. You just trail your stop loss as you are trading. That's all you do. You just continue to trail your stop loss to protect your profits. And we can check, just look for a sell opportunity. So here's a short sell opportunity over here as well. So the MACD is below level 0. This candle closed below the moving average. You take the sell and you trail your stop loss. And you made profits on that trade as well. So we can look at Crash 500. So on Crash 500, there was a nice buy opportunity over here. So over here, the MACD is above level 0. Over here, the candle closed above the moving average. You take the trade, it came back for that retest. Remember, your stop loss is always below the moving average or wherever you see fit. Okay, and it continued up, and you just continue to trail your stop loss. You trail your stop loss every single time. Let's look for a nice sell opportunity. So that's all buy opportunities. Over here is a short sell opportunity. So here the MACD closed below level 0. This candle closed below the moving average. You enter the sell, you take the sell, and you trail your stop loss. Let's check out Boom 300. So on Boom 300, we can see over here the MACD closed, the MACD is above level 0. This candle closed above the moving average. You take the buy and you continue to trail your stop loss once you are in good profits. Okay, then we can see the sell opportunity. It's a massive sell opportunity. So it started all the way over here. So from here, the MACD closed below level 0. This candle closed below the moving average. Okay, and from here, you enter your sell, and that's profits. And what happened was over here, as we can see, it always came back to retest the moving average. And if we have a look at the MACD, it never went above level 0, which means it's still a downtrend. So you are still in this trade, catching all of these pips up until here where it actually went, the MACD went above level 0. Then Crash 300, same concept. So over here we have a buy opportunity. The MACD is above level 0 over there. Here the candle closed above the moving average. You take the buy and you trail your stop loss. Then currently there's a sell in the market. So here the MACD is below level 0. This candle closed below the moving average. You take the sell and you continue to trail your stop loss in the market. can use this on volatility pairs as well on the 15-minute time frame. So this is volatility 10. So let's just see. So over here, for example, the MACD closed below level 0. The candle closed below the moving average. You take the sell and you continue to trail your stop loss. With a buy opportunity, same concept on any pair, guys. MACD above level 0, candle closed above the moving average, and you take the buy and you trail your stop loss. It literally works on any pair. Any pair you want to choose, it will work on the 5-minute time frame. The 15-minute time frame. Sorry, my apologies. 15-minute time frame. And you can take these trades. You can combine it with price action, use your support and resistance, your trend lines, all of those things. But this is quite a powerful strategy. I hope you guys will enjoy it. Send me some results of the strategy to my Telegram channel. I will go ahead and leave my contact details below where you can message me directly on WhatsApp and on Telegram. I'll leave a link to my Telegram channel as well where you guys can join, and I'll also leave a link in the description for my recommended brokers, which is IFX for currencies and Derive for the synthetic pairs. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope you guys make tons of money. I'll see you guys on the next video.